In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Shopify and set up live shipping rates and shipping costs. We're going to walk through connecting your Printful account to your Shopify store, enabling real-time shipping rates, and managing how those costs appear to your customers. Follow along in your Shopify admin so you can complete each part as we go. First, let's connect Printful to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, open the Apps section and search for the Printful app. Select it, click Install, and approve the permissions so the app can sync products, orders, and shipping information. When prompted, log into your Printful account. If you use the same email for both Shopify and Printful, the app may connect automatically. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're linking the correct one before confirming. Once connected, you'll see Printful available and ready to sync products. That's your foundation for automated fulfillment. Next, enable Printful's live shipping rates so your customers see accurate, up-to-date shipping costs at checkout. In Shopify, go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Open your shipping profiles and edit your general profile. Under Shipping Origins, find your Printful shipping location, click More, and open the Printful settings. Check Enable Printful's live shipping rates for your storefront, then click Save. This tells Shopify to pull shipping options and prices directly from Printful, based on the items in the cart, the destination, and the shipping method. If you also sell non-Printful items, you can keep separate, manual rates for those products in Shopify. At checkout, Shopify will combine them automatically so customers see one clear option. Finally, manage your shipping costs and margins. When you create or edit products in Printful, set the retail price for each variant. That price is what your customer pays, and your profit is the difference after Printful's product and shipping charges. Printful will calculate shipping automatically according to your settings and the buyer's address. If you sell both Printful and non-Printful products, Shopify combines the lowest eligible shipping rate from each group into a single shipping option at checkout, keeping it simple for the customer. If you want to offer different speeds, like Standard and Express, configure those options in your Printful dashboard and sync them to Shopify so the correct choices appear at checkout. As a quick quality check, add a Printful product to your cart, test a domestic and an international address, and confirm the rates look right. If you sell non-Printful items, keep their weights and rates accurate in Shopify so the combined total is reliable. That's it. Connect Printful, turn on live rates, and fine-tune pricing for a smooth, transparent checkout experience.